Right now towards the right side in the sky is flying it very majestically. This is the airspace at the moment. This is the elegant Airbus A350 1000 flying to airspace right now from your right, presenting right here the Singapore Air Show 2026. The aircraft flight today is the MSN M59. It was the first prototype of the A350 1000, which made the first flight of this version in November 2016. And the A350 1000 is the longer fuselage version, 73.8 meter total length, seating about 350 to 410 passengers in 3 different classes. This model features a more powerful Rolls-Royce Trent XW B97 engine versus a shorter A350-900. And the market for the A350-1000 has continued to gather momentum. And there are 1,529 total orders of the A350 family so far from 16 customers as at the end of December 2025. And 699 A350s are already flying on around 1,300 routes worldwide. And the first A350-900 was delivered in December 2014 to Qatar Airways. And the A350-1000 version flying here first started operation also with Qatar Airways on February 2018. And the newest implementing converts it to a 4-inch wider cabin combined with a 1.2-ton structural weight reduction and a 3-ton increase in maximum takeoff weight, the MTOW capability for extra payload weight flexibility. And in September 2023, ESA certified a new 322 metric tons MTOW for the A350-1000. And improving the flexibility of the A350 family, the A350-1000 is a high level of functionality compared to the A350-900, with 95% of common system part numbers and same type rating. And there is a new freighter variant, the A350F, which is based on the structure of the A350-1000. And this was part of its flight test program later this year, which will carry a payload of up to 111 tons and will fly up to 4,700 nautical miles. And the A350, like all the other airliners which Airbus produces, is recertified to use 50% sustainable aviation fuel. And Airbus is going to achieve a certification of 100% SAF after 2030 for commercial aircraft and helicopters. Presenting once again, ladies and gentlemen, right here at the Singapore Air Show 2026, the Airbus A350-1000.